In the realm of outsourced accounting and bookkeeping services, businesses often seek solutions that combine expert human support with efficient technology. Bookkeeper 360 is a prominent player in this space, offering a range of financial services, primarily for small to medium-sized businesses that use QuickBooks Online or Xero. When considering a service like this, understanding its pricing model is paramount. It's not always a straightforward flat fee, and for good reason. As an accounting software expert, I frequently encounter questions about how services like Bookkeeper 360 structure their costs. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Instead, their pricing is designed to be flexible and cater to varying business needs and complexities. Let's delve into the intricacies of how Bookkeeper 360's pricing works. Core services versus add-ons. First and foremost, it's essential to distinguish between Bookkeeper 360's core bookkeeping services and its additional, specialized offerings. Their pricing model is built around these distinctions. Core bookkeeping services. This is the foundation of Bookkeeper 360's offering. Typically includes monthly or weekly bookkeeping, transaction categorization, reconciliation, preparation of financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, access to a dedicated bookkeeper or accounting team, financial reporting and insights through their app and monthly/weekly meetings. Add-on services. Beyond core bookkeeping, Bookkeeper 360 offers a suite of additional services that businesses can choose to complement their bookkeeping package. These come with separate costs and include tax services, business and individual tax preparation and filing, tax planning, R&D tax credits, sales tax compliance, though some sources suggest limited sales tax management, payroll and HR, payroll processing, state and local registrations, time tracking, employee onboarding/offboarding, and HR advisory, CFO advisory, higher-level financial strategy, forecasting, budgeting, cash flow optimization, KPI analysis, and strategic planning. Back office, services like customer invoicing, accounts receivable, and bill payment, accounts payable. Catch-up bookkeeping/cleanup. For businesses whose books are behind or messy, this is a separate project-based service. The tiered pricing model for bookkeeping. Bookkeeper 360's pricing for its core bookkeeping services is primarily tiered and based on the monthly expenses, or sometimes revenue of your business, and the frequency of service you require. This is a common approach for outsourced bookkeeping providers because the volume and complexity of transactions often correlate with a business's expense level. Here's a breakdown of the typical tiers and factors. Monthly expenses, or revenue bands. Bookkeeper 360 categorizes businesses into bands based on their average monthly expenses, e.g., up to $20,000, up to $35,000, up to $50,000, up to $65,000, up to $100,000, and over $100,000. As your monthly expenses increase, the base price for bookkeeping services also increases. This reflects the higher volume of transactions and the increased time and effort required from the bookkeepers. Accounting method. Bookkeeper 360 offers both cash basis and accrual basis accounting. Accrual basis accounting typically costs more than cash basis accounting. This is because accrual accounting involves tracking accounts receivable, money owed to you, and accounts payable, money you owe, along with deferred revenue, accrued expenses, and sometimes inventory, which adds layers of complexity and requires more detailed record keeping. Service frequency. Monthly. This is the most common option, where financial statements and reconciliations are performed once a month. Pricing starts for this frequency. Weekly. For businesses with higher transaction volumes or those that need more frequent insights and updates, a weekly service option is available. This comes at a higher price point than the monthly service due to the increased engagement and continuous support from the accounting team. Pay-as-you-go/support plan. This is typically the lowest entry point. It's often structured as a small monthly fee, e.g., $49, plus an hourly rate for support, e.g., $125 per hour. This model is ideal for businesses that primarily manage their own books but need occasional expert assistance, troubleshooting, or help with specific projects, like historical cleanup. It may also require an initial retainer. transparency, and custom quotes. While Bookkeeper 360's website provides starting prices for each tier and service frequency, it's important to note that the final pricing is often quote-based. This means that after an initial consultation, Bookkeeper 360 will provide a customized quote tailored to your business's specific needs, transaction volume, complexity, and the mix of services you choose. Factors that can influence your custom quote include number of bank accounts and credit cards. More accounts mean more reconciliation work. Number of transactions. The sheer volume of transactions processed each month is a significant determinant. Integration complexity. If your business uses many different apps, e.g., e-commerce platforms, POS systems, expense management tools that need to be integrated with your accounting software, QuickBooks Online or Xero, this can add to the complexity. Industry-specific needs. Certain industries might have unique accounting requirements that could affect pricing. Historical cleanup. If your books are not up to date, there will be an additional charge for this initial cleanup work, usually on an hourly basis or a fixed project fee. The Bookkeeper 360 app, standalone. Separately from their comprehensive service packages, Bookkeeper 360 also offers a standalone Bookkeeper 360 app. This app, compatible with QuickBooks Online and Xero, provides performance dashboards, key performance indicators, KPIs, and communication tools. This app is available for a lower monthly fee, e.g., $19.99, for businesses that want these insights and tools but prefer to manage their bookkeeping themselves or use a different bookkeeper.